Have y'all ever wanted to put the billet control arms in the rear of your Honda? Well, today we're gonna show you guys how. Obviously, first step is get it jacked up and get the wheels off. Alright guys, so these are the tools you'll need for it. It's got a 17mm open end and closed wrench. You got a 14mm 1/2 inch impact socket and the impact. We also have a 17mm 1/2 inch just to make everything easier. Obviously we have the wrench, and this has got a 19 on it. So I got my friend DJ here, and he's about to take off the lower control arms, and we're gonna put the new stuff on.
Oh, that's a flush nut too.
There it is, guys. Alright guys, so you shove that side in there first. Obviously we like to use the hammer to tap it too. But he's got it. Gonna line it, the first bolt up. We're gonna put it in. Alright guys, so once you guys have these bolts in, don't worry about these until you jack the vehicle up or put it on the ground. And then right here, you just put the subframe brace on, and then you find your extended bolts and run them all the way through. Also have the Mugen little bar down here, and I'll be adding a sway bar as well to this setup. Alright guys, so we're gonna use the jack to lift it up and line this bolt up here. Alright guys, so this is what it's looking like finished up. We got the sway bars to add to it as well, so just stay tuned and we'll be putting that in here as well. But there it is, new bushings. You got the lower control arms and the subframe brace, and whatever this little Mugen piece is here as well.